Hey y'all, so I just want to do a little bit of talking here and I want y'all to see the things that I packed. So I will try to keep it as short as I can, but if I do figure out or notice anything during this video, I will let you guys know. I will tell you some must-haves that I don't know if I really put in my essentials. Visors. I just did a little earring combo where you can see like I had pretty much similar earrings, but they were all different colors. Mesh material, or it was just like a breathable cover up option, which is that pink and orange outfit or like shirts back there. That was like really a hit with me because it wasn't allowing me to like sweat or be like sweaty or be like all crazy and gross, like if that makes any sense at all. um Also, I was gonna paint my nails, but I did not. I just had like 3 deodorants, just in case one started to act a little funky. I can wear another one. I did do pajamas, and I wore like it was like a dress from Walmart. I wore that pretty much throughout it, and then I also wore like this short set that I got from Shein that I didn't really want to wear out, so I just wore that as like a nightgown as well. And what I will say is that for my next one, I will be doing like either two-piece outfits, or I'll be doing like a whole bunch of dresses that are like breathable, fit me really well. I will try on my jean shorts before I go next time because baby, look, my jean shorts did not fit me, and I usually get them from Rainbows. I knew something told me to get it from Walmart, but I was like, no, Rainbows is gonna fit just fine because I wear their jeans already. And I got to Florida and they did not fit, but it's okay. It's cool. I had biker shorts, I had other outfits, so it was just fine. My elegant night outfits, I love them so much. And it's crazy because in the video, I did not like the blue dress, and Robert was like, you should just bring it and wear it. And I end up loving it. And then the purple one, you guys already know that was my favorite from Valentine's Day, so I just brought that one. I will say that holding a Yeti is a little bit heavy, so getting the little pouch thing from Amazon was a really, really good find. Robert loved his, and I use mine but it can get very heavy. I don't know why, but it can. I have tons of hand sanitizer you're going to see in here. I put that in my book bag for my carry-on as well as in my luggage. We did do 2 fans because it usually gets hot on like the Lido deck. The lanyards worked really, really well for when you wanted to give the person like at the bar or whatever. I did get about 2 to 3 sunscreens, and I think we used about 1.5, and it was a party of 3. Also, like I said, just be comfortable, be you. What I will say though is I would bring when you pack your book bag or a carry-on, make sure it's enough for you to have like an outfit or two in there, maybe even some undergarments, a bathing suit even. If you wanted to put one of those visors in there, that would be cool, and maybe like a few sandals, because if anything happens to your luggage, at least you'll be okay for like maybe the first 2 days if they can get it or bring it to you at another port. That would be really, really good to do. So I've learned that lesson before, and after I learned my lesson, I never not packed up my book bag to be like, hello, it's getting me ready. I did do straws as well because I did not like them lime true straws, and it was just not a good look for me. That dress was actually one of the dresses that I put in my book bag just in case if my luggage got lost. That way I know it's really easy, it's cool, and yeah, like it'll keep me cool. I'm just trying to think. Just make sure you're planning right. I would say it does get really, really hot on the ship, like outside of the ship, meaning like on the Lido decks when you're going to check and look at the water and stuff like that. It is pretty cool, like when you see shows and on the ship. So just be aware of that, and also make sure you bring like a little jacket, a little coat. I did not have it here, but I think I put it in my book bag just in case, just because I know how it gets chilly. And I don't even think I really used a jacket at all this trip, and that's crazy. But yeah, just make sure you are packing smart. And yeah. Also, I did about 2 bathing suits. I could have did 3, but I really wasn't going into anybody's pool or anything like that. I went into the pool once, and we probably went into the pool for about 3 hours. So that was cool, and I would have done it more, but I was just like, yeah, no. Um, I'm just trying to think if there's anything else. Really, I can do like a video showing you or telling you things that I would suggest you to do maybe before going on a cruise and during a cruise, but I don't know. Just let me know if y'all want to see that, or if you're going on a cruise and you just kind of have questions, let me know and I can definitely answer a few things. I don't know everything, but I did go on about maybe 6 cruises. Yeah. Also, I brought extra shoes just in case because you are going to be walking a lot. Ships are really big nowadays. So, yeah, pay attention to that. Also, I brought a ton of shades. Like, I brought like 6 or 8 pair of shades, and they were between maybe like 6 and not even $8 from Shein. I did get a lot of my shoes from Shein, and I tried them on like 2 weeks prior just in case they were kind of like flimsy. I didn't trust it, but let me just tell you, those silver shoes, amazing. It's these black shoes that I had that say Brave on it. Oh my God, I love those, even though they make a little bit of a sound once you walk, but it's fine. I did get a beach bag from Shein as well. I would suggest that just in case you have to go away, and your beach towel, and get the pins that's from Amazon as well that just hold it up on your chair, because then when you go away or you walk away, you can actually have your spot when you go. Don't be too crazy with that either. Don't waste people's time or like save a chair for 45 minutes to an hour. That is so like rude. But a lot of people were doing it on Carnival Vista this go around. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. We did have a favorite spot that we liked as well, but we weren't like taking over it. But have a good one, y'all. Thanks for watching.